nanu,
me,
iyok,
us,
iye,
you,
intai,
you, plural,
ninye,
him, her, it,
ninche.
them.
Kaipo tito ninye.
He is calling me.
Kaipo tito ninye.
He is calling me.
Kegira asuja yok.
She is following us.
Kegira asuja yok.
She is following us.
Igira iye aitengen ninche.
You teach them.
Igira iye aitengen ninche.
You teach them.
Intengenaki nanu.
You teach me.
Intengenaki nanu.
You teach me.
Intengena ninye.
You teach her.
Intengena ninye.
You teach her.
Kenap ninye.
He carries it.
Kenap ninye.
He carries it.
Isom ninche.
You read them.
Isom ninche.
You read them.
Etumo ninche.
They meet them.
Etumo ninche.
They meet them.
Etumo ninye.
They meet him.
Etumo ninye.
They meet him.